Hey, welcome back to the episode of Is in Worth It. So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is an oscillating tower fan. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. This one right here is a smart tower fan. So you basically have the option to use the app control, which I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But first thing I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So you can definitely see there's a lot of different parts on here, but let's take everything out first. So the first thing that we got right here is the bottom of the base. And next to right here, they provide guys the user manual, the remote, and also some screws as well. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what it actually looks like. This is what the remote looks like. So you do have a power button, a plus and minus button to increase or lower the speed, I assume. We have like a mode button, a mute button or sliding button, a oscillating button, and a timer button as well. And when you guys first get it, you guys need to take this part out so that way you can activate the remote. And if you see on the bottom remote right here, they do have a little slot. So I'm assuming that slot is for you guys to open up the actual battery compartment if you guys need to place it. And top part right here, you guys want to target like the tower fan so that way you can start using it. So like I mentioned earlier, you do have the app control option, or you guys can use remote control, which is definitely pretty cool. Next to right here, they provide guys the mounting screws. So you guys want to install this on the bottom part. It doesn't require any tool because all you guys need is to use your hand to actually twist it. And right here, they provide guys a user manual and everything else in terms of the warranty and etc. And next to right here, they provide guys another at the base. So there's two different parts for the base option, and I'll show you guys how to set up in a second. And the last thing that's inside right here is actually tower fan. So let's take it out. So right here, we see we do have the tower fan and it's all well protected. But let's take off all the wrappers and protection layer first. Alright, so once we take everything out, this is what the product looks like. Before I show you guys like a close-up view and turn on the product, we want to set up the base first. So when you guys set up the base, you guys want to put it in the bottom part right here. And then 4 different slots in the bottom for you guys to set up the base and the screw option. So if you guys are curious about what it actually looks like, here are the 4 different slots. So you guys want to match the bottom of the base on top of right here. So I'm going to set it all up and just put the screws on and then show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you got it set right here. We want to screw it on. So there should be a total of 4 screws on here that's provided for you guys inside the little baggie. And you just want to use your hand to screw it on. Very simple and very easy. You don't need any tools. Alright, so we got 2 of them in. Let me just bring it a little bit closer to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we got 2 of them in. You guys want to screw this part as well. You guys want to make sure it's tight but not too tight. So once you guys got that all set up, you guys want to set up the cable through this slot right here. Just like that. And like that. And it's all set. So that way the cable is not underneath right here. And that way the product won't tilt. And also if you see the bottom right here, they do have like a non-slip material. So that way the product won't move around once you guys set it up. But that is how you guys set up the bottom part. Now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so we got it all plugged in. So let's turn it on and test it out. So first what I'm going to do is pull off the tab in the bottom right here. Once you guys pull off the tab, you can definitely start using it. So we turn it on. That turns on the product. So that is the lowest speed level on here with speed level 1. When you guys bring it up, the maximum is 6. You guys can hear it's definitely really loud once you guys turn it on to level 6. If you guys want to mute it, now it's basically mute. So we increase the speed level on here. You guys can hear how it doesn't make any sound, which is definitely pretty nice. If we click on this button right here, you guys can change the different modes on here. So the different modes on here is normal mode, natural mode, sleep mode, and auto mode. And then if you guys want to use the oscillating option, you guys want to press the button right below that. And it starts moving left and right. So you see you definitely have a pretty good coverage on here once you guys use an oscillating option on here. And also for the product, it does have a timer option. So if you guys press the timer option on here, let's see what happens. So there's 0. So the maximum for the timer option is 12 hours. And once you guys are done using it, you can press the power button and that will turn it off. And obviously you do have the option to use it manually on here as well if you guys want to turn it on. You can see that definitely does work as well. But the coolest thing about this product is the fact that it does have an app control option that also allows you guys to use the voice control. So I'm actually connected on the app to show you guys what I mean. So you see right here, this is the app you guys want to download. So it's download it first. Right, so once you guys finish downloading the app, it'll tell you guys to create an account. So let's do that first. Once you guys create an account, this is what the app looks like. So you guys want to add the device on here first. Once you guys click on add device, this is the page you guys will see right here. So the one that we want to select is this one right here. So first thing I'm going to do is turn on the device. And the way how you connect this device onto your phone, they mention on the app to press and hold the oscillating button for 5 seconds. Alright, so we got connected. So what I'm going to do now on the app, it actually got connected onto a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. And now connecting onto the device. Alright, so we got it connected. So you definitely have the option to rename the device on here, but we'll just keep it as tower fan for now. Once you guys got connected, you can start using it on here. So you definitely have the option to turn it on and off. So that turns it off, and that turns it on. If you guys want to change the other setting on here, you guys want to press right here. And you definitely have the option to turn off, on, change the timer option, use normal mode, natural mode, sleep mode, auto mode, change the different speed levels on here. You can turn on and off the oscillating option. They have an auto off option for the display if you guys want to turn it on as well. And they have a mute button if you guys want to use that option. So you basically have the option to control it on the device, on the remote, or on the app as well. And since we do have the option to control it on the app, we can also use Alexa or Google Assistant to control it as well. So let's test it out. So I just want to go to setting page right here. And we want to connect it on Alexa because that is what I have. Alright, so I'm connecting onto Alexa right now. So once you guys go to the Alexa app, you guys want to go to the skills option and connect it on right here or enable it. And actually guys connect an account, so let's do that first. Alright, so we got connected. And now it's looking for the device. Alright, so I found the fan. So we got everything all set up. Let's test it out. Alexa, turn off tower fan. Alexa, turn on tower fan. Alexa, change the fan speed on tower fan to 5. Alexa, turn on oscillation on tower fan. Alexa, turn off tower fan. Alright, so you definitely have all the different options on here. So you definitely have the menu option on here, the remote option, the voice control option, and also the app control option as well, which is definitely pretty awesome. And one last thing that I forgot to mention about this part right here is in the back. When we turn around the back part right here, you can see they do have this big opening slot right here. So that way you can carry around really easily if you guys need to. And this big opening slot right here is actually really big enough for you guys to put the remote in the back if you guys want to. So just like this. So that way everything is all organized. So that is everything in terms of how to use the fan option on here. But I'm actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like. Alright, so here is a close-up view of what the product looks like right here. Definitely looks pretty nice. But once you guys turn it on, you can see this is what the screen looks like here. So they show you guys the fan speed level on here, the Wi-Fi option, the fan level on here, and then the different modes. So I just want to increase it. So that is the maximum. And that is the lowest. And then here's the timer option. Here is a different mode option. And then here's the oscillating option. This is what the back part looks like for the handle part option, where you can definitely put your remote control as well. So that is everything that's on Spyro here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties, especially if you got to try and look for a high quality oscillating tower fan that has all different options on here in terms of different speed level, the strong powerful wind, the timer option, the oscillating option, the app control, the remote control, the voice control, and also manual control as well. If you guys want all that and so much more, then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.